to use the Wikispaces Classroom. This video will show you the key tasks that you will need to know in order to make the best use of this tool. Once you have created your account and signed into your Wikispace, you will be redirected to the dashboard. This dashboard will show you all of the wikis that you have designed, your account settings, your profile, and your message inbox. Click on the Wiki Classroom that you have created. You would have created this Wiki Classroom upon signing up for the Wikispaces. This is your Wikispace Classroom homepage. As you can see across the top toolbar, there are numerous different options that you can use to communicate and collaborate with your class. Let's say that you want to create a wiki for your class to co-write a page on the learning characteristics of the net generation. We will begin by clicking on the Pages button and entering in the title of the wiki. Once the wiki is created, we can get our class started by adding some initial information. If we so choose, we can even add a photo to represent our page. Once complete, click the Save button. You will see that the net generation page has been created on the left-hand menu, and all students who are enrolled in this Wikispace Classroom will have access to edit and add to collaboratively write the page on the net generation. Now let's say we're looking to start a discussion on our Wikispaces Classroom. It's easy to start a discussion asynchronously. All we have to do is click on the Discussion tab, put in a subject, and post our question. Once posted to the home page, all students will see the question and be able to comment in the box below the question. This is sort of like a social news feed. You also have the ability to turn on or off your monitoring of this post. So by default, it automatically monitors this post, but you can stop the monitoring so that you don't get email notifications every time a student comments on the post. Next, I want to show you how to create a project in the Wikispace Classroom. It's as easy as clicking on the project button, putting the name of the project in the field box, and a description in the bottom. The great part about the project tool is that you can create a start date with a time and an end date with a time. Once created, you can then assign your wiki members and add teams to the project. For this project, we're going to click the Add Teams button. We're going to delete the teams that we don't need. And we're going to click the Create Teams button. Once the team is created, we can add the members to the team. If you click on the box here, you can actually assign your students randomly to the different teams that you've created. Now we have 2 students under Team 1. When the students are assigned to teams, they will get their own Team 1 homepage. They can then collaboratively edit and write within their homepage wiki. You are able to view this homepage at any time, but other students aren't able to see this homepage unless you decide that you want to share it. If you decide that you would like to share this Wiki Team 1 page with the rest of the class, that's easy. All you have to do is go back to the project, Set all permissions for the team, and you have different permissions that you can set for Team 1's wiki. So it can be a public wiki where all members can view the page. It can be a protected wiki, but only members of the team can edit the pages. It can be private, locked, or custom. In this instance, if we would like to share the wiki with the rest of the students class-wide, we would pick public to wiki. Lastly, we don't have a Wikispace Classroom unless we have students in our classroom. So one important feature of the Wikispaces Classroom is learning how to add your members. Click on the Members tab up at the top, and there's a few different ways that you can invite people. First, you can invite people using email. All it takes is sending your message here to the email addresses that you include above and click Send. Another easy way to have people join your wiki is to create a code. So you can create a join code with your wiki. It creates a code, gives an address, and you can email that out to the students. If you don't want the code anymore, all it takes is to disable the code. I hope this video has given you a great starting point to your Wikispaces classroom. Have fun!